Hi, I'm Sergio with Arvig. Today on Tech Talk, we're going to be talking about the secondary DVR or receivers in your house. You might be saying, what is that exactly? If you're home with multiple TVs and multiple set-top boxes with our cable system, you probably have the main DVR in your living room is my guess, and then some other set-top boxes in your bedroom or kitchen or somewhere else. And we're going to be talking about how you can use our multi-room feature to watch recordings, pause TV, all sorts of fun things, but from those secondary receivers. It's a little bit different than using the main DVR, so let's take a look at how it works. So we're taking a look at our TV here, and what we're going to be covering a lot today is using what's called the B button on your remote control. So before we do anything, I would take this time to look at your remote and find the B button. That sort of activates the DVR function from your secondary set-top box. Now remember, this is for the Star plan on Arvig, not the entertainment plan, so these instructions affect anyone that's on our Arvig Star plan. So first we want to look at how to watch a recording. So I'm going to go ahead and press the B button, and that brings up a special DVR menu for our secondary receiver. And you can see we recorded a show. It's really easy to watch that show and play it back. You just hit the OK button once you've selected what you want to play. And it's going to give you a few options. I can resume the playback, I can play from the beginning, or I can delete the recording. Now I want to watch the recording, so I'm going to hit resume playback. It gives me one more option. Let's say I started watching this recording in my living room, and I got about halfway through, and now I'm in my bedroom and I want to finish it. It's going to give me the option to resume playback from the other room's latest position. Or I can choose from this room's latest position. So if I've watched it in two different rooms already and I'm at two different points of the show, I can choose where I want to start it. I'm going to choose this room's latest position and hit OK. And now you can see it started my show and it's playing it back. And of course I can use my controls like normal at this point, pause, rewind, stop, etc. The next feature I'm going to talk about with your secondary receiver on the Star plan is how to pause live TV. Always a favorite feature. Once again, since we're on a secondary receiver, you're going to want to start by pressing the B button. And then you can go ahead, once you're in this menu, bring up a secondary menu by pressing Menu. You can see now that it's giving me all sorts of fun options like recording the show, of course, viewing details about the show. We're going to pause. So once I hit pause, it pauses the television show. This is great for a lot of reasons. I can go to the bathroom quick, I can go grab a snack. I do want to warn you though, this only pauses for 3 minutes. After that, the playback will resume again. So if you know you're going to be gone for 10 or 15 minutes, really what you should do instead is record the entire show. And then when you can come back, you can start it from where you left off, or play it like normal. So pause is good for 3 minutes, good for quick little jolts, and then you should come back and resume. The last feature we're going to look at is the Follow Me bookmark, which basically lets you put a bookmark in one of your recorded shows or programs, and then resume from that same spot on that program from a different room. So just like a bookmark in a book. We're going to start by pressing the B button again, of course, and then we'll select our recording. So we'll go here, and when I resume my playback, it's going to give me the option to do a Follow Me bookmark position. Now the bookmark is set, and I can choose to resume from that area on another DVR or another set-top box in my house. So as you can see, really all the great features you have on your DVR can also be accessed from your secondary receivers in your house. It's just about knowing how to use them. If you have some more questions or need more help, go to arvig.com and we have all sorts of great guides and videos you can watch to help you learn about how to use even more of these features. Or stop into one of our Arvig locations and you can pick up a guide yourself, and they'd be happy to help you there too. If you need to, feel free to call us at 888-99-ARVIG or follow us on Facebook.